Good morning, students. I'm back with another video, and the video contains 10 birds' name. Here's the first one. The name of the bird is pigeon. 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 Now the next bird is parrot. 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 Next, our bird is owl. 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 Next comes is an eagle. 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 Our next bird is duck. 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 And a new bird, that is sparrow. The name of the bird is sparrow. 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 This is a crow. 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 Next is a peacock. Peacock. Apart from this bird, we have myna. Myna. The next bird is bulbul. The name of the bird is bulbul. Bulbul. And the last bird, and the name is cuckoo. Cuckoo. Alright, students, you will learn this bird name.